Hey, what's up? This is Norris. I'm here with another monthly makes for the month of April. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Last month I showed you my double floral contrasting shirt, bowling shirt, and I wanted to do the same one this month. So as you can see, I did floral, but instead of doing a contrasting floral, I did white panels. This one is pretty cool. I don't like it as good as I do the first one because the material is a little bit softer. But it photographed very well, and you'll see it on the blog. Well, you already seen it on the blog. This next one is the bowling shirt again, but I did it without any bowling shirt panels. So I taped all my pieces together, and I cut my entire front pieces all in one piece instead of three different panels. This shirt right here, I was a little bit skeptical about because it had like a little sheen to it, and Mimi was giving me, she had a few jokes because it was shiny. So I didn't want whatever I make to be a costume. But because of the design of the shirt, it came out really dope. I can't wait for you to see this on the blog. This is the only one I haven't photographed and posted yet. The buttons are really cool, as you can see. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one. So I remember last video, I was telling you that I got some really cheap fabric for $5, and it was this denim, and I made them and they came out really dope. I like them even better than my other ones. The material is really good. The denim don't have that much stretch, but it's still okay. They are comfortable and they feel really good. And this was also my first time doing a button-up front fly, and I'm pretty impressed with myself because it came out really nice. All right, next is this men's button-up shirt. This is the classic men's button-up shirt that I designed with Mimi for the simplicity pattern. And I designed it with the barrel cubs and also the wide spread collar. So I did it in white and the cubs in white as well. And I borrowed Mimi's coconut buttons that I'm gonna give back to her someday. And I think I like it overall. The white and pink stripes came out really nice, and I wore this on Easter to go with my Easter suit, which is the next thing you're gonna see. So before I get into this suit, I'm just gonna let you know I've been able to do formal coats and slacks and multiple other things when it comes to menswear, but I haven't done a complete suit yet. And this was the first time of me really completing all the details with the suit. But there are a few details that I still want to do, so I'm gonna let you know. Okay, with this suit, I did a half lining with bias binding for the lining. And I also was able to insert a flap on the back. This vent right here did not come with the pattern. I had to make it up myself. And I also inserted a breast pocket that did not come with the pattern either. So there's a few modifications I did make, but I didn't have time to make the modification to my sleeve. I wanted to do a vent here and do working buttons, but I didn't because I love working buttons. I hate doing buttons like this, but I did it because I only had like 4 days to finish it before Easter. So that was all the details, I think. And next time I'm going to do a full lining and also insert welt pockets inside the jacket as well. Now the suit pants were amazing. I don't think I have anything to say negative about these. They came out really nice. I did the extended waistband that you can see right here. I haven't inserted my suspender buttons on the inside yet, but that's an easy sew on. I did welt pockets on both sides of my pants in the back, and they are tailored really nice on my leg. These are flawless. And also, this was my first time adding the additional waistband on the inside of my pants. This is what a lot of menswear pants use to keep it firm and the waistband not to stretch. So this was a really nice add-on. All right, I think that's it. Next month is gonna be really nice. I got a couple of suits on the way and a few other patterns that I'm gonna get into. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. If you're a guy and you sew, no matter what it is, if it's me and Mimi's pattern or if it's something that you just made on your own, please tag my Instagram. I love to see as many guys as possible up on the machine. So tag me on Instagram at Norris Danta. All right, until next time, see you next week.